Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use WhatsApp web on phone. Friends, as we all know that WhatsApp web is designed to use WhatsApp from computer. Rest due to any reason, if you want to use WhatsApp on your mobile phone, then you simply need to open Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, you need to click on these three dots. Now in options, you need to click on history. In history, you need to clear browsing data. Click on clear data. Click on clear. Friends, you need to do this task each time when you want to use WhatsApp web. Now friends, you need to simply click on three dots again and select desktop site. Now our Chrome browser is in desktop mode. Now we need to type URL web dot whatsapp dot com. Now we need to open WhatsApp on our mobile phone. In WhatsApp we need to press on the three dots. Here we need to select link devices. Press on link a device. Now we need to scan QR code. Now we have opened WhatsApp web on our mobile phone. So like this you can very easily use WhatsApp web on your mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.